Okay, look at the goddess now. Come here. Come here, over here. Seki. Seki. Here. Seki, not my book. Go here. She's hard to film. This is the little baby that you saw 6 weeks ago. Almost getting ready to kick the bucket on me there. Now she's a little lioness. Come here, baby. Come here, honey. No, 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 no. Come here. Down here. Down here. Hey. Hey. I can't even keep up with her. She's... Hi, honey. Hi, little one. Hi, sweetie. Okay, over here. I'm trying to teach her not to bite people. And that's a challenge right there. Because she is a little lioness. Hi, honey. No. She knows better. She knows that, good girl, Seki. Good girl, Seki. You have to be on alert. You don't use your fingers ever. Fingers, hand, any part of your body as a plaything for a kitten, because they don't know that it hurts you later when they are really little lionesses like she is now. She knows better. No, 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 Seki. Good girl. Come on, get this. That's a girl. Good girl, good girl. She knows the difference between human beings and objects. And you can't for 1 minute assume that you can roll her on her stomach and play with her with your hand, and later on when she gets really going with those claws, that she's going to know the difference, because they don't. So the best thing is to teach from the beginning, which is what I'm doing. Good girl, Seki. Good girl. A lot of praise when she goes for her toy, and scolding when she doesn't. No, no, no. Hey, 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 hey. No, no. Good girl. Come here. That's a girl. They're very intelligent. Don't think they don't know the difference. They do. And this is the little one now. She's still not minding me. Hey, get in from there. No. No. Watch my finger. No. And sometimes you have to really teach. No, 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 no. Gentle thump. Works good. No. No. No, Seki. No. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's